Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, kids of all ages, welcome back to the show. This is your host, the most, Mr. M, and welcome back to Luigi's Mansion Dark Moon, or Luigi's Mansion 2 HD. I want to say thank you all so much for watching this series. The last 5 episodes did pretty well, and that let me know is that you guys want more episodes. So, I'm back in the office, ready to record, so let's raise the curtain, strike up the band, let's get things moving in Luigi's Mansion. In the last game, or no, in the last session, if I'll this, we collected one of the pieces to the Dark Moon, collected 4 boos, and we cleared out the first mansion. Where to, Luigi? Well, I'll tell you, egad. We are going, nope, we gotta go to the Dark Moon, and we gotta go to the Haunted Towers. These remarkable towers are built around a colossal tree. The original owners had a liking to gardening and exotic plants, which are growing out of control. A job for a plumber. The tower's machinery, sorry. The tower's machinery isn't active. I'm guessing the ghost broke it already. We need to get the hydro generator running before we can search for the next Dark Moon piece. Alright, let's hop into it. Our guest is taking us to a new location. Luigi, aren't you excited? Ah, I love when animals don't listen. My cat is just... Oh, no. No. Come on. Where's your sense of adventure, son? Our work is far from done. We need to get our hands on those ghosts, or who knows how far they'll spread. And there's only one way to fix this mess. Restore the Dark Moon and place it back in the sky. My periscope has located the next piece somewhere in these haunted towers. Oh, this is just a mess. Hold on. You are there. Of course you just did that. Thank you. Sorry, my cat's underneath my table and trying to eat every single cord known to man that helps me operate this whole shindig. Okay, they have been abandoned for some time now, and they've been teeming with exotic plants and natural ghosts. The towers are in bad shape, and the water system seems to be broken. If only we had a plumber around here. You see, the Haunted Towers features a complex water system that powers all of the machinery. So first thing is, to-do list will be check the hydro generator. Alrighty. F1, it's right there. Alright. Oh, keep an eye out for new types of ghosts. That goes without saying. Good luck, young fella. Alrighty, let's kick in the gear. Here. Oh my god. Stupid game. Alrighty. Ooh. Oh yeah, this place is just swarming with pets. There you go. Da-da-da. That's how. That's weird. Ooh, gold. Oh, hold on. Oh, well, what's in here? Hello. just looks like no water's coming through. Oh, there's a chest. Gold. There's the door. Looks like they work. Yeah, it just looks like there's no water. I still feel like there's something out here. Alright, nothing much here, so let's get into it. Ooh, oh my goodness, I remember this part. I won't say. Oh, hello. Oh, hello. Hello. Not a clue. Okay, well. Money. You know, it is a little bit quiet in here. I turned off the fan because in the last recording, you can 100% hear my fan, which I do apologize. Oh, I can't even get to the next location, technically. Oh, hold on. Oh! Oh, lovely. Will happen again? Whee! Let's clean out these weeds. This place needs to look spotless, I tell you. Spotless! Hello. Ah, you should. Stupid fag. Oops, sorry, wrong button. Also, it's been a little bit of a while since I recorded. That is my fault, because I've had a long week of work. If you guys don't know, I actually have a job. And I just haven't had time to do this. Come here, you! Aha, sucker! Can I, like, go? This looks like I can't go in right now. Eh. Whale of poo. I think that's all we can do in here. Let's see. Oh, I had my thing. Wow, look at that! I'm upset. I could have got that done. An extra life! There you go. What is this? Nope. That's stupid. I'm walking right through it. More goo. There's goo. Oh, I think. Bear with me. I think. Can I set this? Nope and nope. Hello. And a key. There you go. Nothing. I feel like. Aha! I knew it! Oh, I won that too, and we all love Mama Mambo, except for you. Come here. Come here. Die, you stupid boo. Ah, come here. There we go. I was about to be like, game, don't you screw me over. Yes, we got a bill. Always lovely. Okay, I think... Oh, hello. Hello, E-God. Hello. Just as I feared. The hydro generator seems to be in good condition, so the water must be clogged. Why don't you check the water supply on the roof? Alrighty. Is there... nope. Fixed. Okay. And so we can't go through here, I guess. The only place I can think of to go is over here. Yeah. Lovely. Ooh. Oh, frogs! Aha. There is 100% a door there. Nothing in there. I can't come down. That was so awkward. Okay, there's a big old wait, door there. There I go. Wrong button. Okay. Ah! Stupid. Ah. Come here, you. Stupid ghost. Oh my god, that's such an annoying noise. I'm forgetting how to do this. Come here, you stupid ghost. I can't get the shovel to go away. Gotcha. Yeah, there we go. Okay. Come here, you. Alrighty. Sorry about that. Had to pause it because I didn't know if there was like a... I keep thinking... I'm not in Luigi's Mansion 3. I keep thinking there's like that burst of air that you can do. while we're here, clean up some of this mess. Come on. That's weird. Whoa! That's lovely. I feel like I'm just. Okay, there's nothing in here, I don't think. Alright. Can we look at here? No, okay. I don't say anything. Aha! Oh, there was more. I knew it. Oh, I just went out of this room. Oh, hello. Oh, there's a chest. And a hole. Looks like you can grow something. There's your frogs. Some lovely little frogs. Let's get the heck out of this room. I'm tired of hearing it. Ah, the other side. I do say. Oh, I thank you. I need those. Hey, stupid frog! What? Aha! Thank you. Now. Ooh, I think I. Oh, ooh. I think I know. Hold on. Flip that switch. That might be the pressure. Come on. Flipper. Come on! Bunch of sludge and sugar. Okay, I don't see anything. Yeah. I might need. I don't know. Oh, hello. Stupid idea. Luigi, don't be scared. I see it. There's an emerald right there. I swear I will get it. I swear on my mom. There you go. Let's see what's in here. Oh! Good to know. And there's a bucket. Eat that, Hot Wheels. Stupid plant. Ooh, yeah. This is just fun. This game is nothing but just a fun time. Oh, hold on. Hold on. Brain. Idea. I knew it. Yeah. Anything else I can shoot this stupid thing? Oh, I got bucket. Excuse me, Mr. Bucket. Nice radiation. Alright, come on. Come on. Come on! Wunderbar! You see me? Everything is on. Oh, yeah, I forgot. There might be a clog. That's why there's no water at all. Oh, good lord. What's happening? Okay, so be careful. Run. Ah, poke. Click. I hate those. Come here, you. Come here. There we go. Come here! Double the whammy! Oh, you stupid. Oh my goodness. Stupid shovel. Run! Heart! Oh, the camera really messing me up today. What the? Oh my god, stupid shovel. There we go. I gotta wait until he's about to charge. Oh, thank you. Yeah. Stupid mess everywhere! Okay, well first off, let's look in this. See that hole. This looks like something. Hello. There's an arrow pointing there. That might be important. Test tubes. A door. And a thing. I see. Hold on, I'm getting a message. Ugh. feels like there's pipes missing. Ah! I hate these little ghosts. Okay. Ooh, health, 55. Nice. I might be able to get to it. Who knows? Let's just move on. I don't want to waste too much time. Ah! Oh, hello. An organ. Nope. Okay. Yeah. Okay, we're getting distracted. What's in here? Oh, well. Yeah. Is that the second? I know where the first one is. Perfect. Do I get out? I think that's what I'm supposed to do. Oh, gracious. Ah, well, there went my heart. Ooh, yes, I feel love. That's what you get, you sucker. Well, if I do need to collect the slurm. Okay, we got some slurm. Oh, hold on. I think Okay, that'll be fine just there. Arrow. What the what? Oh, goodness. Hold on 1 second. Alrighty. Sorry about that. After an hour later of talking to relatives on the phone, I have returned. Sorry about that. Where were we? Let's resume. What was I doing? Okay, I was on this. There is arrow. There's a chest, and there's a hole. And there's an arrow pointing there. Okay, arrow pointing here. I feel like I'm missing something. Fuck it. Oh, sorry. Sorry for swearing. Oh, screw it. Geronimo. Geronimo! There we go. Oh, let that water flow. Let it flow, baby. Yeah. Oh, that's how we get in there. Whee! Hey, there we go. Hey. Oh, got a net. Oh, I think we just finished dinner. I want to go do things. Hello? Fantastic job, youngster. The water flow is slowly normalizing. Hold on. I'll pixelate you out of there in just a minute. Perfect. How you doing? Yeah, the middle. Huh? Boo? What's up with all this sludge? Oh, what the f*** are you? Hello. I'm the great Mighty Pooh, and I will poo on you. Alright. 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 Oh, poo. Okay. Come on. Come on. One big hoop. There you go. Got him. Oof. Oh, okay. I was like, can I go do what I want to do now? Hello? Ho ho! Good job dealing with that rather rotund ghost. I'm bringing you back. Hold on to your hat. Hold on a second. Alright. Let's hit it. Yeah. Oh, is that not good? Oh, I guess it's not good. Cleared in 27 minutes. Ghost captured. Health lost. Oosh. Treasure. Not bad. I don't see anything wrong. Oh, no! 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 Great job, Luigi. Oh, I'm done. Sorry, I forgot to come back from the Matrix. Great job, Luigi. Let's see that new ghost. New gem. New ghost. New boo. Okay, so now that I have the thing, my goal is to try and collect every ghost. Or every boo, actually. Not bad, almost a new upgrade. Well, I'll be. I've never seen that kind of ghost before. And great job restoring the water flow. If this whole ghost hunting thing doesn't work out, you may have a future in plumbing. You'll be happy to know that the haunted tower's water system is now almost completely functional. I also have news regarding the Dark Moon piece. Oh, sorry. But why don't you take a break? You're looking a little soggy. Annabelle, yeah!